In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an article on Blogger. This tutorial is designed as a simple and clear demonstration, so I won't actually be inserting real images or additional elements. Instead, I'll walk you through the entire process in a way that's easy to follow, so you can confidently apply these steps on your own blog. To get started, sign in to your Blogger account and go directly to your dashboard. Once you're inside, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen and find the section labeled Posts. Click on it and then choose New Post to open the editor. This is where you'll create and format your article. When the editor appears, begin by entering a title at the top. It's important to make your title clear and relevant to your topic since it's the first thing your readers will see. After that, move down to the main writing area and start typing your content. You can write freely here, just like you would in any document, which makes it easier to organize your thoughts as you go. As you continue writing, you'll notice a toolbar above the editor. This gives you different formatting options, such as headings, bold text, italics, bullet lists, and text alignment. Using these tools properly will make your article more readable and visually appealing, helping your audience stay engaged. Now, if you ever want to include an image, you can do so by clicking the image icon in the toolbar. From there, you would normally upload a file or select one from your library and then adjust its size and position within your post. However, since this is just a demonstration, I'm only explaining the process and not actually adding one. The same idea applies when adding links. To insert a link, simply highlight a word or phrase, click the link icon, and paste the URL. This is a useful way to guide your readers to other helpful pages or references. On the right side of the editor, you'll find additional post settings. Here, you can organize your content by adding labels, choose a specific time for publishing, and even customize the link of your post. These options help keep your blog structured and easy to manage. Before publishing your article, take a moment to review everything carefully. Use the preview feature to see how your post will appear to readers. This step allows you to catch any errors and make final improvements. Once you're satisfied with your content, click Publish to make your article live. Your post is now ready for others to read and share. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.